Welcome back to My English Teacher. I'm Emily, and today's episode is going to be both practical and emotional.
And I'm Paul. Let me ask you something. How do you usually feel when someone says, "Tell me about yourself," in English?
For many learners, the heart beats faster, the mouth feels dry, and suddenly the words disappear. It's such a common struggle.
Yes, because this question comes everywhere. Job interviews, meeting new friends, first days in class, even when traveling and meeting strangers on the road.
That's why today's podcast is powerful. We'll guide you through simple ways to introduce yourself clearly, naturally, and with confidence.
And if you're new here, subscribe and join us. Every week, we make English simple, warm, and connected to real life.
So let's begin with a little scene. You are standing outside on a rainy morning. You've got an umbrella, and next to you is someone smiling kindly.
They ask, "What's your name?" Such a simple moment, right? But in English, this is your first step into connection.
Let's start with the basics. When someone asks your name, the most natural answers are, "I'm Emily," or "My name is Emily."
Yes. Notice the tone. Gentle, clear, not rushed. Say it with a smile because communication is more than words. It's feeling.
Try repeating after us. "I'm Emily." Again. "My name is Emily." Do you feel how your mouth moves smoothly with the words?
That's the rhythm of English. Short, clear sentences help you build trust with the listener. Done is better than perfect.
Now, after names, people often ask, "Where are you from?" This is your chance to connect with your roots and identity.
You can say, "I'm from Brazil," or "I come from Mexico," or "I live in Seoul." Each gives a little more detail.
And remember, you can also add something special to make your answer memorable. For example, "I'm from Paris, the city of lights."
Or, "I come from a small village near the mountains. It's quiet but beautiful." These details bring your words alive.
Let's practice. Repeat, "I'm from Brazil." Again, "I live in Tokyo now." Simple, right? But powerful.
Imagine yourself at a party. Someone asks, "Where are you from?" You answer with confidence. Suddenly, the conversation opens up.
Next comes a key question. What do you do? For many learners, this is the hardest because it feels formal and stressful.
But relax. You don't need big words. Start with simple phrases. "I'm a teacher. I'm a student. I work in marketing."
You can also add a soft detail. "I'm a teacher. I help children learn English." That extra piece shows warmth and personality.
Let's try it together. Repeat. "I'm a student. I study engineering." Again, "I work in a bank." Short, easy, and clear.
Many learners ask, "What if I'm not working now?" Don't worry, just be honest and simple. "I'm looking for a job," or "I'm taking a break right now."
Honesty builds real conversation. People connect when they feel your openness.
So now we have name, country, and job. Already you can create a short introduction. Let's put it all together.
Example. "Hi, I'm Paul. I'm from London. And I'm a musician." That's clear, natural, and it flows.
Or, "Hello, my name is Emily. I'm from Canada, and I'm studying English." This is simple, but it shows personality.
Try creating your own version now. Say it out loud with your name, your country, and your job or study.
Great. Now let's move a little deeper. What about hobbies? People often ask, "What do you like to do?"
This is your chance to show your human side. You could say, "I like reading," or "I love cooking," or "I enjoy swimming." Notice the verbs like, love, enjoy. These are natural connectors in English, and they're easy to practice in daily life.
Repeat with us. I like traveling. I love listening to music. I enjoy swimming. Feel how natural it sounds? Now, imagine you're in a new English class. The teacher says, please introduce yourself. What would you say?
You could stand up and say, "Hi, I'm Sarah. I'm from Spain. I'm a nurse, and I love painting in my free time."
That's a complete, warm introduction. It makes people smile and gives them a reason to talk to you later.
And here's a mindset tip. Don't try to be perfect. Perfection blocks your voice. Progress comes when you speak, even with mistakes.
Mistakes are signs of growth. Every word you say, even broken, plants seeds of confidence. Done is better than perfect.
So here's a quick practice. Say your name. Say your country. Say one thing you love. Combine them into one introduction.
Great job. And if you want, write it in the comments below. Sharing helps you remember and inspires others to practice too.
Before we close this first half, let's highlight some useful vocabulary.
Spotlight time. Word 1, introduce, meaning to tell someone about yourself. Synonym, present. Example, I'd like to introduce myself.
Word 2, hobby, meaning something fun you do in free time. Synonym, pastime. Example, my hobby is playing guitar.
Word 3, country, meaning the place where you come from. Synonym, nation. Example, my country is Thailand.
Word 4, job, meaning your work or occupation. Synonym, profession. Example, my job is teaching.
Word 5, enjoy, meaning to like something and feel happy doing it. Synonym, love. Example, I enjoy cooking.
These are simple, but they are your building blocks for English conversations.
You see? With just a few words, you can share a small part of your life, and that's the beginning of connection.
And connection is what language is all about.
Stay with us, because in the next part, we'll explore cultural tips, idioms, and more inspiring ways to make your introduction unforgettable. Welcome back, friends. Let's continue. We've built the basics of an introduction, but now it's time to make it richer and more engaging.
Think about this. Sometimes, when you introduce yourself, people don't just want facts. They want to feel your story.
Exactly. For example, instead of just saying, I'm a student, you could add, I'm a student and I dream of becoming a doctor.
That little addition makes your introduction alive. It tells people about your goals, your passions, and it makes them remember you.
Let's practice. Repeat, I'm an engineer and I love solving problems. Again, I'm a teacher and I enjoy helping children grow.
When you speak this way, you're not just giving information, you're painting a picture of who you are.
Another important detail is how you finish your introduction. Many learners stop suddenly, but in English, a smooth ending feels friendly.
You could end with, "Nice to meet you," or "I'm happy to be here," or "I look forward to working with you."
These closing lines show politeness, and they make the other person feel comfortable. Try saying them now.
Repeat after me. "Nice to meet you. I'm happy to be here. I look forward to working with you."
Great. Now let's explore cultural tips. In some countries, people bow. In others, they shake hands. And in others, they smile warmly.
In English-speaking culture, eye contact and a firm handshake often show confidence. But remember, confidence doesn't mean perfection, it means being present.
And even if you feel shy, a smile can carry your words. People remember kindness more than grammar mistakes.
Now let's add an idiom. Break the ice. Do you know it? It means to start a conversation and make people feel relaxed.
For example, telling a joke can break the ice, or introducing yourself is a good way to break the ice.
Repeat after us. I want to break the ice. Easy, right? Idioms like this make your English sound natural.
Let's try a mini story. Jesse is at a new company. He's nervous on his first day. He hears his heartbeat in the quiet office.
His new colleague smiles and asks, "So, what's your name?" Jesse takes a deep breath and says, "Hi, I'm Jesse. I'm from Toronto. I work in design."
The colleague replies, "Nice to meet you, Jesse." Just like that, the silence is broken. Jesse feels lighter, more at ease.
See how a few simple words can change everything? That's the power of a good introduction.
Let's do another practice. Imagine you're at an English club. The host asks you to share something unique. What could you say?
You could say, "My name is Anna. I'm from Brazil. I play guitar, and I write songs about my travels."
That's beautiful. It's not about long sentences. It's about honesty and connection.
Now here's Vocabulary Spotlight with Charlotte. 5 more words to power up your introductions.
Word 1, introduce, meaning tell others who you are. Synonym, present. Example, please introduce yourself to the class.
Word 2, confident, meaning sure of yourself. Synonym, self-assured. Example, he spoke with a confident voice.
Word 3, polite, meaning respectful and kind. Synonym, courteous. Example, she was polite when she met her teacher.
Word 4, interest, meaning something you like to learn or do. Synonym, passion. Example, my main interest is photography.
Word 5, connect, meaning to make a relationship with someone. Synonym, link. Example, I want to connect with new friends.
Simple, clear, and useful. These words are like keys. They unlock doors in conversations.
Let's also add a tip. When you introduce yourself, don't speak too fast. Slow words show confidence and help others understand you.
Yes, it's not a race. Think of it like music. Pauses and rhythm make the conversation pleasant to hear.
And remember, practice is everything. Motivation comes after action. If you wait until you feel ready, you may never start.
But if you try, even with mistakes, you grow stronger each time. Speaking is like walking. You learn by moving.
So here's your practice challenge. Record yourself introducing who you are in English, then listen. Smile at your progress.
And if you want, write your introduction in the comments. Share your name, your country, your job, and one hobby.
That's how you build a community. Each voice matters, and your voice right now is important.
Before we finish, let's do a quick recap. Start with your name, add your country, mention your job or study, share a hobby, end politely.
That's the formula. But remember, the magic is not in the formula. It's in your heart, your smile, and your willingness to try.
Even if you only remember one phrase today, you've already taken a step forward. And every step is progress.
Don't compare yourself with others. Compare yourself with yesterday. If you can say one more word today, that's success.
English is not just grammar or vocabulary. It's a bridge to connect with people, to share stories, to create memories.
And you are already on that bridge. Every time you speak, you're walking further with courage and hope.
So friends, go out and introduce yourself. Don't wait. Someone is ready to meet you. Your words can start a new friendship today.
Thank you for joining us on My English Teacher. We believe in you. Keep learning, keep speaking, and keep shining.
And don't forget, like this video, subscribe for more, and comment one phrase you'll use today. Your voice inspires others.
Until next time, keep your English warm, alive, and full of courage. Goodbye, friends.
Goodbye, and remember, you're already better than you think. Keep going.